Yo, what is up, guys? So for today's video, you see it, we've got the GoPro 360 mounted on the 5.0. So I just picked up the GoPro pretty recently, and this is basically gonna be my first video with the mount. We're gonna see how it works. Like I said, it's my first time using it. I've got the triple suction cup thing, and then basically just press down on it, make sure it's on there sturdy. I did have to mess with this a little bit to get it all, like, you know, I guess this part was facing down and the stick would move side to side, but basically it's on there pretty sturdy. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is how to stop the camera from moving around up here. If any of you know any tips on how to get that, let me know. But yeah, should make for a pretty cool like third person video. I'm excited. We'll see what it looks like. It looks so goofy. People probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing? But we'll see. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and see what it looks like.